This video was taken on a 250 cow dairy farm in County Waterford, Southern Ireland in August 2021. It shows dairy cows grazing around a 30 kilowatt solar fence. The solar fence concept was first developed by a German company, Next to Sun, in 2014 for utility-scale solar projects. The solar fence was installed and commissioned by an Irish company, Sunstream Energy, in 2019. It generates and feeds renewable electricity directly to the farm's distribution board. Since commissioning, cow grazing and solar production have coexisted successfully. The cows aren't bothered by the solar fence as they graze around and under the row of modules. Equally important, the solar fence produces energy at levels slightly higher than a conventional south-facing solar array. But why a solar fence on a dairy farm? Simply to maximise the amount of solar energy consumed directly to the farm electric loads. If the solar energy is not consumed on site, then it overspills back into the grid at a little or no value to the farmer. So, how does the solar fence do this? The solar fence comprises of parallel rows of vertically mounted double-sided solar modules. The modules produce energy from both sides. The fence runs north to south, with one side of the solar modules facing east and the opposite side west. In this orientation, the modules generate at maximum in the morning and again in the evening, as each side in turn is exposed to incoming sunlight. It follows that most of the solar energy is generated during milking times in the morning and evening, enabling high electricity savings as less electricity is imported from the grid during milking times. This will be even more important when anticipated expensive evening time tariffs are introduced in the future. The solar fence is testament to the agrivoltaics concept working effectively on an Irish dairy farm. Agrivoltaics is all about putting land to dual use, producing food and solar energy simultaneously. On this dairy farm, solar energy is produced when it's needed, enabling a relatively large capacity solar installation when avoiding excessive energy overspill to the grid. The bottom line is the solar fence maximises electricity savings on the farm while making a real contribution to decarbonising the farm enterprise. This video was produced by Sunstream Energy.